Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make traditional Korean kimchi. First, let's prepare the napa cabbage. You'll need about 5 pounds of fresh napa cabbage. Cut it into 2-inch pieces or quarters, depending on your preference. Then, generously sprinkle about 1/2 cup of coarse sea salt over the cabbage. Allow it to brine for 2 to 3 hours, turning it every 30 minutes to ensure even salting. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. After brining, it's essential to rinse the cabbage thoroughly. Wash it 3 times under cold, running water to remove excess salt. Then drain it completely for at least 30 minutes. Squeezing out extra water helps. Now, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. Combine gochugaru, minced garlic, fresh ginger, and a splash of fish sauce. For a touch of sweetness and body, incorporate a sweet rice flour porridge and some grated apple or pear. Now for the fun part, mixing. Always wear gloves to protect your hands from the chili and to maintain hygiene. Take your time to thoroughly coat every single piece of cabbage with the vibrant kimchi paste. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into an airtight container, leaving about 1 inch of head space. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your desired tanginess, before transferring it to the refrigerator. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade kimchi for an extended period. Keep it in the refrigerator, where it can last for several weeks or even months, continuing to ferment slowly. The flavors will deepen and become more complex over time, offering a delightful evolution. Kimchi is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it as a vibrant side dish, a flavorful addition to stews, or simply as a healthy condiment with almost any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.